Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about TCS off-campus hiring. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos, as we upload videos on daily basis for job opening and preparation. So if you are a job seeker, then this will definitely gonna help you. So please like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobkar. So with that note, let's quickly start with the video. So TCS has announced their off-campus hiring for the year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay, so this drive is basically for the 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch, and this is for Ninja or Digital, both. Okay, so let your caliber determined with the TCS integrated test pattern. So this is the off-campus hiring, and the registration end date will be 20th May 2022. Okay, so you need to register yourself as soon as possible. Okay, tests are ongoing and interview date will be announced. Okay, so basically this is for 2020, 2021 and 2022, and this is all about hiring, and this hiring is open for BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc from the year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022. And for TCS resonance, you can click here and get ready for the test. Okay, so this is with the TCS integrated test pattern, that is ITP. Your caliber and test performance will be determined whether you will take the big move with the Ninja or Digital offer. Okay, now this is the application process, guys. So you need to click on this register now button. Now there are two cases, that you are already registered with TCS or you are not registered. If you are a registered user, then you need to log in and proceed to complete the application, and upon submission you need to click on the apply for drive button and apply for the drive. Okay, now if you are a new user and you have not registered with TCS, then you need to click on register now button and choose the category as IT and proceed to fill your details and submit your application form and click on the apply for drive button. Okay, and to confirm your status, you need to track your application, and the status should be applied for drive. Okay, so this is the simple and short process for the registration. I would suggest you to register as soon as possible, because 20th May is the last day, but before, like, you should not wait for the last day to apply. You should apply as soon as possible. Okay, now there are some important note available. So you must have all the original academic documents readily available with your mark sheets and degree certificates, and communication related to test will be communicated to you by TCS ION, and TCS does not send any job offers or any hiring related communication or unofficial email IDs like Gmail, Rediff Mail, and like these. And TCS does not ask candidate to deposit any money, and TCS is not associated with any external agencies company to conduct in any interview and make offers to employment on its behalf. Okay, so this is all the important notes, and if you have any like, if you want any support, then you can mail to ilp.support.tcs.com, and you can also call this helpline number, so you can get support from there. Now we will quickly move on to the to see the detailed eligibility criteria. So this is basically for 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch pass out. Now if I talk about percentage, so a student should have minimum aggregate marks all subjects in the semester of 60% or 6 CGPA in each class of 10th, 12th, diploma if you have done, and graduation or post graduation examination, whichever applicable to you. Okay, now highest qualification, students should have completed their education within the stipulated course duration. So if you are enrolled to a 2 year or 4 years degree, then that should be completed in the estimated timeline. Okay, now area backlogs are, a student should not have any pending backlogs or arrears. Now gap or break in education, so it is mandatory to declare gap in education if you have, and or overall academic gap should not exceed 24 months. That means 2 years gap are allowed. Gap should not exceed than 2 years. Okay, now this gap should be until your highest qualification relevant document proof as applicable will be checked for gaps in education. So you should have the gap certificate. Now courses, only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time job will part-time courses will not considered. And a student who have completed their secondary and senior secondary courses from NIOS, then you are eligible. Okay, you will be considered. Now work experience, if I talk about, so they want a student with a prior work experience up to 2 years are eligible to apply for the TCS of campus hiring process. So you should have 0 to 2 years of work experience. That means if you have any experience, then that should not exceeded than 2 years. Okay, now age should be 18 to 28 years. And now the course and discipline, so all the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc from the any specialization offered by the recognized university or college are eligible. So everyone from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc are eligible. Doesn't matter from which branch you are. All the branches are eligible from the batch of 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay, so you need to keep in mind that, and if you follow the eligibility criteria, then you need to apply right now. Okay, I have already told you the application process. Okay, now test pattern, if I talk about, so this will be your test pattern. There will be two section, basically part A and part B. Okay, so there will be traits. You will have 1 minute for that. Now numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability. And in part B, this is for digital aspirants. So if you clear like if you will be in the top position in your ninja test, then you will be asking for the TCS digital. Then you will have three sections in that also, that are advanced code quantitative ability, advanced reasoning ability and advanced coding. Okay, so this will be your test pattern. So if you are eligible and want to apply for this job, then you need to click on this register now button and apply for the drive. Okay, now if you have any doubt, you can comment down, so I will be happy to help you. And also recently, before 1 or 2 days ago, I have already make a video and upload it on TCS BPS hiring. So if you are from non-technical graduation, so you can refer that, because all the non-technical graduates are eligible for that hiring. Okay, so if you are from technical, then you can hire for TCS off campus hiring, and if you are from non-technical, then you can refer to TCS BPS hiring. Okay, so this is all for today's job update, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates. And I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye. And you can also follow us on Instagram.